Hey viewers, so in this video we're going to see about the comparison operator in C++. So there are 6 type of operators, so we'll see them in line by line. So first one is the equal to operator. Suppose in the right hand side and left hand side both the value is true, then it return you the true value. If any of them left or right hand side, if the value is not equal, then it give you the false. So let's run our code. I have given the int x equals to 10 equals to 10. It double equals to means that we are checking that if both the condition is true or not, both left hand side and right hand side both are true or not. We are checking that, and now we'll print that cout and x. As you can see on the screen, the output is 1 means it's true. If it show you the 0, that means it is a false. So in next one we will see the not equal to operator. Not equal to operator means that if the condition is true, it will make it to the false. If the condition is false, it will make the condition true. Like I have given the simple code that 10 not equals to 10. That means if the condition is true, but it will give you the 0. Reason is that simply I've told you that it make you the reverse the output. Like if the condition is true or 1, it will make the false 0, or if the condition is false 0, it will make it the 1. Suppose I have given the 10 is to 10, the output is, as you can see on the screen, is 0. And now third, fourth, fifth and sixth, I think I don't have to explain. You simply, I think we are knowing from the school time only that is less than and less than equals to, greater than and greater than equals to. So we will see line by line. Suppose if I've given the greater than 1 is greater than 10, what will be the output? As you can see, it's true, it's false. The condition is false because 1 is not greater than 10. And now we'll be putting using the equals to, still the output will be 0. The condition is false. Now if I'll give the 1 is less than 10, the condition is true, as we know that, then the output is 1. And if we give the equals as well as the equals to, and the output will be same 1. These are the 6 type of operations we can run in the comparison operator. It is used to build some logic in our programming. So hope you like the video. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel.